Well, that is March in Texas. Apparently, it is summer now. Woohoo! So, the family decided it was enough. They wanted some air conditioning. Rightfully so. We did get into we broke the 90s rather easily today for the first time. So we've flirted with them a few times. This rig needs cleaned out anyways. The fans are rather low. The room is rather hot. So that's our hot card number 3 that I know needs repasted. So it is right on the edge here, and it's actually our video out card. So I am not repatting it. I'm just going to repaste it unless something goes horribly wrong. And yeah, so we're gonna shut these off for a moment and blow them out and just see what kind of temperatures we get from that difference there. So this is the frame that I took the 1660 Supers off of, and then I dispersed them along the AM5 gang, and I like that. I like that for winter a lot. I don't like that for disseminating heat to different areas, and that meaning I want to put those two rings outside, and I want to keep the AM5s inside. And so they're going to go back on here, but not with that 10105, because it's rather useless in the mining world. But I don't want to use my 10850 either, because I want that to be my personal for outside. So, I think that's going to put us 11400, which is in that beautiful case right there. And it's a goofy board, whereas this is a very nice, I like Prime Plus. It has the nice shielding and everything. And then this is more, that has the 10105. So this is the 11400, and it has this just regular Prime, what is it, 590V. I don't even know what that means. I think it's narrower or something. It's just a weird board, but it works. It's fine. And it does have the dual heat sinks for the VRM situations. So yeah, new rig again, rearranging because why not? And so we'll take that motherboard out, put it in there, and put all the baby Tourings back on, and we'll make 1660C a thing again. So for now, let's shut this off. Let's blow it out, and then let's see if we get under 90C. And for this crazy early summer we've got here. So, whoop whoop. All right, I got to put a bumper back on that this morning. That was fun. So this is not as terrible as I thought it was. You still can see quite a bit of light through there, and although that's a lot of cat hair. Thanks, Panda. You're the best. These ones are actually cooling rather well, but that's disgusting. So this will be the first time I've cleaned it since it became this monster rig. So that's the motherboard that you usually can't see. It's the Asus Prime B450. I do not recommend it. It used to be substantially cheaper than the B550, and that's just not the case anymore. And the B550 is superior in almost every way. So I will no longer buy these. I don't recommend them. They only have the one VRM heatsink, and it gets exceedingly hot. So there's just better options. But I do have it, and I'm sure it's paid itself off a few times over. And we'll see. The rest of the cards don't look too atrocious, so it's just this one bearing the brunt of Panda. So let's remove the cat from the computer. Oh, let's look at these fans. One more. Oh, that's not too bad. That's not too bad. We'll get them. Oh, let's get the nasty shot. Let's see if we can get it. Oops, somebody's driving with a flat tire. Oh no. Well, it be what it be. Oh, he spun it. Let's see if we ruined it. How these still have labels after all these years blows my mind. Alright, we'll clean the rest. We'll be back. Alright, well, it did come out rather well. There was so much cat hair in there. It's crazy. This thing sits on the floor. These radiators were filled with it. I've seen kittens bigger than that. Or it was bigger than kittens I've seen. Just the amount of hair that came out. So, but it is all dust free. So let's see what the temperature is. Let it heat soak, and then we'll shut this one off. What is this? This is 3060A. And so then we'll shut that one off and repaste it and see the temperature difference there. So let's get to work. Okay, so it's back inside, all so fresh and so clean. And the only difference, they do have it facing the other direction, since it's summertime. And let's see here. Oh, we're going to need a mouse. So, giveaway. That card doesn't even need repadded. I'm a terrible home miner. Don't listen to me. Let's check our uptime. So, 20 minutes, that's more than enough to heat soak. And using number 3 as our canary. That was at 90C in thermal throttling, so. Or, was it 90? I don't remember. It was preposterous number that was recognizably wrong. So, no repadding, no anything, and yeah. So I'm a goober. This was too dirty. Maintenance is important. You would not believe the amount of dust that came out of these radiators. Oh my god, it was silly. It was just silly. So definitely need it cleaned, and I definitely need to up my maintenance schedule and maybe get a new cat. I don't know. He sheds a lot. It's ridiculous. It's pure pandemonium, some would say. So, but that's okay. We fixed it. It was dirty. It was free. It was less work than I thought it was going to be. So we'll put another successful clean rig something or other. I don't know what to terminize that, but there we are. So that's a win. I hope you get some wins, and I hope your cards are cool, and I hope your luck is low, and all the best mining fam. Happy hashing.